Good day everyone, my name is Enoch and thank you for watching my video today. Today I have an issue that I want to rectify. I have one inverter machine that it was spoiled, and then all the MOSFETs on the inverter got burnt, and this is I have several experience on repairing inverter, so I want to share you some solution on this particular inverter. So I have a board here that I remove from one inverter. This the board, and this is what I want to repair. And then when I got the fault, discover all the 12, there is 6 here, and another 6 point here. All the MOSFET there got spoiled, and then I have the broken one. Yeah. So here are the MOSFETs. See the way this thing burst, all the 12, except I think this didn't got spoiled, and this, okay, this and this, I think all the rest just blew off. And then there is one transistor here, also it was burnt. Can you see the side? So actually what I knew here, okay, so my belief is changing these MOSFETs will make the machine work again. So I want to do it today, and I will share my solution. So I bought these MOSFETs online from AliExpress, so it's not cost. So if you have mind of buying something like this online, you are welcome. So this is what I bought to repair the inverter machine. So let me just drive into the repair. So when I finish, I will continue my video. So watch out. Stay continue. As you can see, I've fixed all the MOSFETs this side, and if you test it now, this will work. That's it. I've changed components too, and after changing those components, I just decided, okay, let me do a video on the MOSFET side. I think these two transistors have changed it to transistor there. I've changed it. So I'm going